Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to use the knowledge base AI agent in DreamzCMMS across both the web and mobile applications. You can use this feature to get instant answers and raise support tickets through a smart chat interface. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to start a chat with the AI agent, ask generic questions, raise a ticket based on the chat, view the incident created in DreamzCMMS, upload files for a specific asset, and add them to the knowledge base for easy future reference. Let's get started and explore how this feature streamlines support and boosts efficiency across platforms. To start the knowledge base AI agent, simply click on the blue icon, then select CMMS Knowledge Base AI Agent. This will take you to a new screen where you can begin the chat. To start a new chat, enter a conversational title and click on Add New. This will initiate a new chat session. On this screen, you'll get the option to start a generic knowledge base chat or an asset-specific chat. You can either type your question or use voice input. For the first demonstration, I'm selecting the generic knowledge base. I type in what I'm looking for, light bulb or fuse. The agent will search the knowledge base and return the relevant answer. With the reply, it will ask if you'd like to raise a ticket for the issue. You have the option to select yes or no. If you choose to raise a support ticket, click yes. Next, select a location from the list. The system will prompt you to review the following details and ensure all necessary information is included. If the information is correct, type yes. Then it will ask if you want to attach a photo with your complaint. If you choose yes, you'll be prompted to select a file. I select a file, and the system logs the complaint and provides a case ID. To verify, I go to the request list and refresh the screen. The new request is now visible. Opening the request, I can see the subject is light bulb or fuse, along with the location, requester, and description. This demonstrates how you can ask a generic question and log a complaint directly from the interface. And next, I'll demonstrate an asset-specific knowledge base interaction. The agent asks if I want to scan a QR code. For this demonstration, I'm using an asset called P&M Enterprise Induction Motor. I've already uploaded 2 files for this asset, both of which have been added to the knowledge base, and I have the QR code downloaded on my system. I select the option to scan a QR code and upload the image. The agent then asks if it should search for an answer based on the asset name and its location. I confirms with yes. Next, I type my query. The agent searches the asset-specific knowledge base and provides a step-by-step guide. In this case, instructions on how to install a generator for power failure. Again, it asks whether I would like to raise a ticket for the issue. I select yes. The agent prompts me to confirm that the information is correct. I type yes, and then it asks if I want to attach a photo. I agree and upload a file, in this case, the QR code image again. The system logs the complaint and provides the case number 7955. To verify, I go to the incident list, refresh it, and see that the request is listed under the new case number. This demonstrates that you can ask questions and receive answers from both the generic and asset-specific knowledge bases. Now let me show you how to do the same from the mobile application. After opening the mobile app, go to the navigation menu, select AI Help, and then tap CMMS Knowledge Base. The process is similar. Provide a conversational title, then click Add New. In the mobile application, you'll be prompted to choose between a generic knowledge base and an asset-specific one. First, I select the generic knowledge base. I type my question and click Send. The agent returns an answer from the generic knowledge base. You again have the option to raise a ticket. If you choose to raise a ticket, click Yes. It will ask you to select the location. If all information is correct, simply type Yes. The system will ask if you want to attach a photo. If you choose Yes, you can take a photo or select one from your file library. I choose the first option, and the request is created. The system provides an incident number. To verify, I refresh the request list and see that the newly created request, number 5450, is listed. Now, I start a new conversation by typing, "Hi." This brings me back to the initial screen where I can choose the type of question, generic or asset-specific. This time, I select Asset-Specific Knowledge Base. It prompts me to scan a QR code or add asset details manually. I proceed to scan the QR code and the system shows the asset name and location. If the information is correct, I type Yes. Then I type the query, "A generator for power failure." The agent asks whether I want to raise a ticket. I choose Yes, review the information, confirm it's correct, and then get prompted to attach a picture. And I'm given the options to take a photo, choose from the library, or add a file. I click Add File, and the system logs the complaint with case number 9476. I return to the incident list and verify that request 9476 has been created with the subject line reflecting my input. This shows how you can search for information in the generic or asset-specific knowledge base. Now, let me show you how to add a file to the knowledge base from the Asset Details screen. Go to Equipment, select a demo asset, and then click Add File. Choose the file you want to upload and click Save. Once the file is saved, it appears in the file list. You will then have the option to add it to the knowledge base by checking the corresponding checkbox. If the file has already been added, the checkbox will be disabled. After checking the box, click Add to Knowledge Base. The system will begin syncing the file to the knowledge base in the background and will display an alert message confirming the sync has started. This is how you can chat with the AI agent to retrieve information from both generic and asset-specific knowledge bases via the web and mobile applications. If you wish to add an asset-specific file to the knowledge base, you can do that directly from the Asset Details screen. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching the video.